everyone, this is Christine for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm going to use the Coffee with Character and Caffeinated Sentiments. I'm going to do what I call a coffee horde, or a whole bunch of coffee cups with a lot of masking. And I'm going to use the sentiments in Caffeinated Sentiments. So I've actually already stamped my sentiment underneath because this is not something very interesting to watch. I'm trying to use the video to show some techniques rather than stuff that all of you already know. So I've stamped a coffee cup, and I'm going to now stamp a lid. And this is going to be my starting point, or my focal point. And I've created all these masks that you see here. They're made out of Avery removable ID labels that I got through Amazon. And you just stamp on top of the label and fussy cut them out, and it's really easy. So now I'm going to stamp a lid. And I actually don't need to mask it because it fits perfectly on the coffee cup. So here I've actually placed a mask already on what I already stamped, and I'm placing now everything around it. So when you do masking, you start from the item that's going to be in the front and work your way backward. So you have to mask off the item that's in front so you don't stamp on top of it. And I'll tell you, it doesn't look that great along the way, but when you take all the masks off, then it looks really awesome. So I'm going to continue to mask, and I'm going to play a little background music and continue the video in regular time because it's important to see how it all comes together. So I'm back now. I did a lot of this off camera. I'm going to use a couple of embellishments, and I did some coloring just to accent the cups. So here are the Copics that I used: very light mint, warm gray, and so I colored the tops and just a few accents. I used a tie, which is a brad. I had some glosses, so I'm using those as well. Those are brads as well. And then I'm going to put a couple of flowers for the girl cups. So I'm just going to get a strong adhesive and place them in a few places, just to add a little more detail and color to the card. And you can certainly use double-sided adhesive for this, double-sided tape, or double-sided foam tape, whatever you want. I just decided to use glue. And I'm just moving some of the sequins around. And they definitely stay on. So here's the final card. I used double-sided foam adhesive for the panel, and then it's on an A2 card base. Thanks for coming by today.